You're watching the Workshop Insider channel, and today you'll see some tips and tricks from DIYers that really work. And we'll start with a convenient way to tighten the nut up in a hard-to-reach place. And here's a very simple and convenient multi-tool that you can easily make yourself. How do you like this set of screwdrivers in your pocket? A very useful tool that you can easily make yourself. An easy way to adjust the thread to the desired size. You have never held a more comfortable spatula in your hands. Now have you? An easy way to work with lumber when your source is not the right size. Don't let the apparent complexity scare you. In fact, this is a very simple and useful tool with which you can easily draw a round part. Very practical way to cover up traces of woodwork. Corner like a compass? Why not? And here's an easy way to unlock this lock. I hope you'll use this information correctly. Squeaking doors? It's a very common problem and won't bother you anymore. Just apply some deodorant. Handy DIY bottle cutter. Why not? Just repeat after me and this wonderful tool will decorate your workshop as well. Also a simple but very handy assistant for working with wood. Just look how easy it is. Write in the comments what you like the most and subscribe to this channel. See you!